I'm losing track of the days. It's day, then it's night, then it's day, then it's night again. So I built something to help me keep track of the effects of the rotation of the earth. That's a fancy way of saying to keep track of day and night. After considering it, I had an idea. I needed a device to help me keep track of day and night. I spend a lot of time working on projects in the basement, so I barely get to see the sun or moon or stars. So I printed images of the night sky and another of the sun in the sky. I would use these as the background. My idea was to cut out a circle from a cardboard box I found and then split it into two sides. Something like this. This side would represent day and the other night. After some brainstorming though, I decided to change the shape from a circle to something square. I would have had to make a hole in the circle to attach it to the stepper, which is one of the parts I will be using. It's also more difficult to cut out a circle from cardboard than it is a square. Squares are just better. Using a stepper motor, an RGB LED, cardboard cutouts, and an Arduino board. Now, done. I'll set a timer so it moves to the left during the day and to the right at night. Pay attention. So during the day and at night, it works. It's a simple project by getting the job done. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe.